It'll be a retake of the 2 Otis mod TKE traction lifts at 180 Queen Street, City, Brisbane City. The reason why I'm starting inside the cab, it's because there was someone outside that wanted to use the lift, so yeah.
Ground floor.
So yeah, that's why I want to start inside, because I don't want to film some random other people. Man, this one's really small. I do like the Dewhurst buttons, US 95, as common in the Dewhurst series. There's the TKE badge. I also like the indicator as well. Go to basement. Alright, it's locked. Ground. Just exploring Dewhurst Chime. But I do like how it's like showing the down arrows. 629 kilos, 9 persons. This might be smaller than the modded Otis Lexan, the old modded Otis Lexan at the old Kenmore Village. This might still be the original door tracks.